Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and I'm just going to fix this up, out. Oh, wrong one. No, the other way. I think that's right. New camera, just getting used to it. Been having some fun all day today. Not just with that camera, but I've done 3 pours today that didn't turn out to be anything other than dreadful. So I'm going to do a galaxy pour, and I'm going to do it like a Dutch pour, and so just for fun. Now I've got the paints here, and the recipes will be down under show more down below, and I'll just put this on. And the recipes, and I've got alcohol in the red and the white, and I've got silicone in the yellow, blue, red, and nothing in the black. So hoping for a massive pour, because I just don't want to go to bed on a day that's had nothing but failures. Maybe put the blue around the outside, eh? Maybe a bit in the middle. We'll see how that goes. Some black. Right, I think I've got enough on there. And now, the first thing to do is unhook this. Turn it over. Righto. Don't be knocking things down now. Oops, it's going to. Oh, it did. Huh. Alright, so ooh, that looks interesting. Okay, so now I want my little planety centre, because right there, probably put too much paint there now. Right, and dab black. And a little dash of white. And then I'll blow this out as well, but on a lower speed. Okay. So that didn't exactly do what I wanted. But I'm going to have to blow that out, I'm afraid. Sorry for the noise, but hey. Okay, so that'll be okay. That looks alright as far as I'm concerned. It's this bit here. So, I'm just wondering if I can wangle it. Better. Just a tad of red. Okay. And I think that looks a bit like an explosion-y sort of effect, doesn't it? I think so. And around here some white, I think, and blow that out. Where is it? There it is. Right. Back with the noise again. Some here, but it's coming along very nicely. Noisy brute of a thing. Right, where's that white one gone? You'll do. Okay, I'm very happy so far. This exactly looks like what I kind of thought earlier. You know, you're sitting there and think, oh, just go and do a pour, yeah. And then it doesn't come up anything like what you were sort of thinking. Down below you'll find links to my Facebook, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come and join us. And there's a link there too to my Fine Arts America, and I'll blow this here too, I think. Yeah. link to my Fine Arts America page, and also I'm going to put some red in there. And please give this video the thumbs up. I appreciate that. Better, very better. And I just, oh yes, the black looks good coming through there now. That's really cool. Cool for cats. You can go away. There's some black. Don't need that spot. Or this one. Okay, so that's the spots I've done. So I might just torch this now, and then I can bring you down to have a look. This is pretty nice. I like that. Oh, spot. What's there? Yellow will do. Saw that, and there's another one. Goodness. Okay. Not bad at all. Just mingle that in a bit so it's not quite so there, you know. Hello, I'm here, red. Right. So now I'll bring you down to have a look and see what you think. Lots of lace and little wispy bits and cells. Out. That's a bit better. It kind of looks like something just exploded, doesn't it? I think. There's my little poor planet died. This, I think, is very pretty just down in here. And right the way around there, that's really nice. Alright, so thank you very much for watching, and at least I get to do one nice one today, and I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up. Thank you.